Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will teach you constrained random stimulus generation in System Verilog. What does it mean? It's mean the method, the way to generate random data in Verilog or System Verilog. So, there are three different ways by which you can generate random data. The first one is hash random, second one is urandom, third one is urandom underscore range. Okay, the first one is $random. So this function will generate a random data which have a 32-bit value, but this value will be a signed value. Signed means it can be positive or negative. So, for example, we have an integer d, and we are trying to assign a random function to a d. So, this random function will generate random value. It can be, as I already mentioned, that it can generate positive or negative value, and it will be 32-bit in length. So if you will see the results, so it has positive value as well as negative value. So this is another way that is called $urandom. So it is same as previous one, but there is a difference here. It is also generating 32-bit random value data, but it is always unsigned. Unsigned mean it always generate positive value. It will never generate negative value. Again, in example, we have a variable, unsigned variable d, and we are assigning function urandom to a d. It will generate always a positive value of 32-bit in length. So this function has an additional feature that is called seed. If you will give a seed to that function, it will also generate a random value of positive sign, but it will always generate a random value, fixed random value. If seed remain constant throughout the simulation, it will generate random value, but it will remain fixed. If you will change the seed value, it will generate a different random value. Okay, so random or urandom, they are generating random values between 0 and 32-bit length value. But for example, if I want to generate a random value between a specific value, for example, I want to generate a random value between, for example, here 1 to 20. So in that situation, you have to use a specific sign called modulo. So you just need to write the random function as in example int b is equal to $urandom seed and modulo sign and 20. So this will generate a random value between 0 and 20. This is another function that is called urandom data. It also return unsigned value, but here you have flexibility, means you can specify maximum and minimum value. For example, if you want to generate a random value between 100 and 1, so you will write in the left side 100 and in the right side 1. So right one is minimum and left one is maximum. So this function will generate a value between 1 and 100. So these are the three basic functions which are used in System Verilog or Verilog to generate random data. So that's all for today. Hope you will find some valuable information from my lecture. Thank you very much.